Wastewater management is the sub-branch of civil engineering concerned with process to remove contaminants from wastewater or sewage and convert it into an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle. Once returned to the water cycle, the effluent creates an acceptable impact on the environment. Prerequisites of wastewater management. For pursuing masters in wastewater management, one must have good grip on the following subjects during Bachelor of Civil Engineering: fluid mechanics, hydraulics, environmental engineering, water resource engineering, geotechnical engineering. Subjects for masters in wastewater management: water pollution and treatment technology, study of significance of water, quality, and standards for usage, study of design and operation of water treatment process, study of standards of water before supply to a community, study of dynamics of water purification and type of treatment required with respect to quality, study of water softening process and fluoridation and defluoridation techniques. These are the reference books. Advanced Wastewater Treatment Engineering. Study of basic characteristics of wastewater. Study of the kinetics of biological system. Study of design and working principle of various treatment methods. Study of magnitude and influence of hazardous content. These are the reference books. Environmental Pollution and Control Management. Study of various types of environmental pollutions and control techniques. Study of impact of pollution on environmental system. Study of monitoring and assessing the impact of pollutants through air, water, and soil. Study of radioactive pollution, thermal pollution, heavy metal interference and oil pollution and their effects. These are the reference books. Community Health and Environmental Sanitation. Study of communicable diseases, control and prevention in rural and urban area. Study of principles of epidemiology, prevention of communicable diseases and risk approach. Study of objectives and maintenance of environmental sanitation. These are the reference books. Transport Modeling of Aquatic Systems. Study of ecology and transport modeling of aquatic systems. Study of trophic levels of lakes, influence of nutrient loading and control measures for eutrophication. Study of mixing zones in rivers, eutrophication. These are the reference books. Industrial Effluent Treatment and Engineering. Study of industrial effluent characteristics and their effects on environment. Study of treatment and disposal alternatives of the industrial wastewater. Study of role and importance of industrial wastewater management. Study of basics of treatment methodologies. These are the reference books. Integrated Solid Waste Management. Study of collection, transfer, and transport of municipal solid waste. Study of methods on processing and operation of solid waste under landfilling process. Study of strategies for collecting the recyclable materials and resource recovery. Study of solid waste disposal techniques. These are the reference books. Renewable Energy and Alternative Fuels. Study of problems related to fossil fuels and familiarity about alternative fuels. Study of characteristics of various gaseous and liquid alternative flues. Study of adaptability of engines to alternative fuels. Study of limitation of fossil fuels and combustion characteristics fuels. These are the reference books. Environmental Impact Assessment. Study of environmental attributes for the EIA study. Study of methodology and prepare EIA reports. Study of environmental management plans. Study of salient features of EIA procedure required to predict project descriptions. These are the reference books. Industrial Waste Pollution and Control. Study of industrial process, water utilization, and wastewater generation. Study of industrial noise pollution. Study of suitable units for industrial wastewater treatment. Study of analyze the wastewater from different industries. Study of suitable method for reducing the noise pollution. These are the reference books. Remote sensing and GIS in environmental engineering. Study of fundamentals of remote sensing. Study of image processing for the outburst of diseases. Study of data and model the distribution network. Study of satellite images for epidemic studies. These are the reference books. Energy and environmental resources. Study of conventional and non-conventional energy resources. Study of various types of energy resources and their significance. Study of the biomass, bioenergy, biogas plants with their functions. Study of solar radiation, power generation, and its utilization. Study of geothermal energy and tidal energy generation and utilization. These are the reference books. Elective subjects. Atmospheric air pollution and control. Hazardous waste management. Environmental planning and management. Instrumentation techniques in environmental engineering. Some of the roles and responsibilities of wastewater management. Supervise maintenance of all water purifying equipments. Ensure compliance to all federal, state and local laws and regulations. Monitor and interpret all charts and graphs for test results. Maintain and update accurate records for treatment process. Monitor all operational issues and report any malfunctions. Prepare and submit monthly reports for smooth functioning of plant operations. Perform regular maintenance work on chemical feed systems and alarm signals.